So guys, instead of viewing the EST for now, we'll be reviewing the specteralert avansed DSC keypad. For now, this will sound only the horn. I set it to the code. Okay, set it to the code. So if I press this, that will sound. If I press this, that will sound this. But I'm not gonna press release today. And it's off. Actually, it would sound this thing. Megaphone's wireless, so I can hear it. I can like press a little button right here. It's wireless too, but we're not gonna set off that today. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna grab my phone. I have two phones, the backup one. Mom, where's my phone? Okay, guys. What we're gonna do is, okay, guys. Here we go. Sorry, I just had to lay you down for a second. I got distracted. For now, we're gonna press fire. Won't make any noise on the keypad. Told you no, there's no strobe on it. Go ahead and silence it. There's no audible silence because it's horn only. Thank you so much for watching. Let me reset it. Thank you so much for watching.